We got some questions from the Modern Divorce Support Group. My 4-year-old left my house with chin-length hair, and over the last year, he has repeatedly expressed that he wants to grow his hair out. The non-custodial dad bald shaved him during holiday parenting time. This happened in the last 3 days after our check-in call, and it feels very intentional. The children told me that it was to avoid brushing and shampooing, but this is the second year in a row that dad has done this in opposition of son's choice. There's a history of inappropriate comments when affecting, like he shaved our 5-year-old's face so she wouldn't look like a caveman. I'm documenting, but what would you say to the offending parent? When do you escalate? And how do we build up our kids to express their choices and manage disappointment when a parent is railroading them? Hello, I'm Billie Tarascio, Arizona family law attorney. This comes from the Modern Divorce Support Group. So you mentioned you're the custodial parent and dad is the non-custodial parent. I would ask you about legal decision making. Personal care falls under legal decision making. So if mom, you have sole or final legal decision making, then it's quite arguable that dad violated the court order by cutting your son's hair. Since this is the second time it's happened, it would have been important that you would have let dad know that you have an objection to that he cannot do that you are opposed to him cutting the child's hair. Let's say you even have joint legal decision making. If you have made it clear that you are opposed to cutting the child's hair, and this is extreme, right? If we go from a boy who has long hair who wants to grow his hair out to shaved bald, that's an extreme move. This is not like going to get your kid a trim. A demand letter from an attorney could put this to bed. There's obviously not much you can do about it at this point, but it's the second time it's happened. At this point, I would recommend talking with an attorney and getting something officially letting dad know that it cannot happen again.